Right now, you think you're making your own decisions. The clothes you bought, the person you texted first, the job you're still stuck in. You think that was you. It wasn't. There are invisible mental traps running your life in the background, and you never even noticed. Today, I'm showing you 5 of them. Stay till the end, because by number 3, you're going to feel personally exposed. If that happens, hit like. It means this video is doing its job. The spotlight effect. You ever walk into a room and feel like everyone is staring at you? Like that stain on your shirt, that pimple, that one thing you said 5 minutes ago is all anyone can think about? It's not. Nobody is thinking about you that hard. Studies show people massively overestimate how much others notice them. Your brain puts a spotlight on you that doesn't exist anywhere else. That's why you replay an embarrassing moment from 2014 at 2 a.m., while the people who were actually there forgot it by dinner that same night. The Zeigarnik effect. Why can't you relax even when you have nothing urgent to do? Why does that one unread message, that unfinished project, that conversation you left on "we need to talk" keep popping into your head? That's the Zeigarnik effect. Your brain holds on to unfinished things way tighter than finished ones. Once something is done, your mind lets it go. Until then, it just sits there, quietly draining you, whispering, "You didn't finish me," every time you try to sleep. The mere exposure effect. Here's an uncomfortable one. You don't love what's good for you. You love what's familiar. The more you see something, even something average, even something bad for you, the more your brain starts to trust it. That's why people stay in relationships that hurt them. That's why you keep going back to that same situation, that same bad habit, that same person. Not because it's right, because it's familiar, and your brain confuses familiar with safe. Loss aversion. You're not staying in that job because you love it. You're staying because leaving feels like losing something, even if what you have isn't making you happy. Loss aversion means your brain fears losing what you have more than it wants something better. So you hold on to the job, to the relationship, to the city you don't even like anymore. Not because it's good, because letting go feels like losing, and your brain treats losing like pain. The comparison trap. Last one, and it's probably the one controlling you right now. Every time you scroll and see someone's better body, better house, better relationship, your brain quietly measures your whole life against their highlight reel. You don't see their bad days, just the good ones. So you lose every single time. That's the comparison trap, and social media built an entire economy on it. So out of these 5, how many were actually about you? Be honest in the comments, because I already know the answer is more than one. If this video called you out, you know what to do. Like it so I know it landed. Subscribe so I can hand you the rest of these mental traps before they run your life any further. See you in the next one.